decided to show you a tutorial on how to do your hair longer after I get this freaking evil thing off. Okay. So you're gonna just kind of grab the hair up here, like this much of hair all around, and then you're just gonna kind of wrap it all around together and basically just clip it there for now, and then we'll go on the next section. Gather your hair, and you're gonna gather what lays behind your ear, and you're gonna gather that much, and then you're just gonna wrap it and put it on the top of your hair. Wrap it around your clip or make it look like this. And secure it with a clip, and then just leave the rest of your hair laying down in the back like this. I just tied a ponytail to not get my hair confused for the top part. Now you're gonna take the whole top part out to make that illusion of the high ponytail, and then you're just gonna pull that in a high ponytail. So I'll be back. After I've done that, it should look like this from the back side. You see how much longer it looks compared to the last high ponytail results of just basically pulling up your whole entire hair. So now I'm just gonna hide the elastic by securing it with a bobby pin with the strand of hair. It looks like so far. And to give my hair not much of a flat look, I'm gonna probably curl the hair and tease it a little bit for more volume.